This is Rhino Sports Stuff Hub here in West Coast Sports Cards in Federal Way, Washington. We are doing a pre-sold break for Brandon. Today we are doing 2015 Topps Finest Football, recently released over the last month. So he is here live watching us. So let's crack into this. Topps Finest, as you know, is one master box containing 2 mini boxes. And each master box, or each mini box, excuse me, contains 6 packs and 1 hit. And if you're lucky enough, there's a bonus hit in one of the mini boxes, but that's a one in several cases average, I believe. So first mini box here, 6 packs. Get going into this. Alright, so starting off, Jeremy Hill base, Austin Hill base. Already got our first parallel, Titus Davis rookie, blue parallel, numbered out of 250. And a Jalen Strong atomic rookie die cut, refractor, red parallel, numbered 67 of 99. Alright. Moving on, we got a Todd Gurley rookie, Marcus Mariota rookie, all in one pack. Look at that. Antonio Gates X-Fractor parallel. Kevin White rookie, and a Jalen Strong rookie. Look at that, 4 rookies in one pack, and they're pretty decent rookies. Pack number 3, Jordy Nelson, Julius Thomas, Jordan Matthews, and a Ben Roethlisberger parallel. That's the hit of the box right there, Jordan, or Brandon. Larry Fitzgerald ends it. Big Ben, your favorite player. Leonard Williams rookie. Alfred Morris, Shaq Thompson rookie, atomic die cut, Duke Johnson, and a Jason Pierre-Paul ends that pack. I believe this should be the pack with the first hit in it, and I'm right. Here we go. Carlos Williams. Auto rookie patch. This is not the numbered one, so you still have your jumbo patch coming up yet, but a nice card. And a Greg Olsen finishing off that pack. Stephon Diggs rookie opens up this one. Sam Bradford. Parallel, Marshawn Lynch. And a Topps 1995 throwback refractor, Alshon Jeffrey. And a DeAndre Hopkins card ends that one. Alright, so there's mini box number 1 completed. Let's crack into mini box number 2. So we got 6 more packs to go through here. There's all 6.
That's the good one. No, that's the bad one. I've got it. By it being a bad one makes it good. Oh, you like puns? I love puns.
Got a Brashad Perriman opens it up. Rookie card, and then a Tony Romo card. We got a refractor, looks like the red refractor, Clay Matthews, numbered to 99. One off from his jersey, number 2 is 53. Another die cut atomic rookie, Mike Davis.
So like Sheldon, but for tractors.
And then a Devin Smith base card.
Just like, imagine a whole bunch of tractors and then some kid follows me through them, and it's the worst pet. Let's get a look.
Got a Tyler Lockett rookie opens up this pack. Aaron Rodgers, Got a Terrell Suggs X-Fractor Parallel.
Yellow ones, and they look awesome and stuff. And so his
Got a Julian Edelman
he loved that tractor.
and a Kelvin Benjamin.
That tractor. He took it to school with him and showed it well every week. And every single week, this would bring his tractor. Every single week, he would bring his tractor.
Matthew Stafford, TJ Eldon rookie, Peyton Manning. There's a Jimmy Graham parallel as well.
For his 14th birthday, his dad taught him how to ride the real tractor on their farm.
And then a Danny Shelton
They were out there for
Husky.
hours. The dad could not get his kid to get off of his tractor. He was just riding it. He wasn't even really doing any real work. He was just riding this tractor all
Teddy Bridgewater,
day for his 16th
David Cobb rookie. There's another parallel, Mark Ingram. This is the yellow refractor parallel, numbered at a 150.
He was so happy. He rode into the sunset on that tractor, all the way up to the farthest reaches of the field.
And we got a Max Williams atomic die cut blue parallel out of 299.
Something horrible happened while he was out of his tractor. He was going too fast. And the tractor
Then a Calvin Johnson base card. And this pack should be our hit for this box.
and the tractor over rolled downhill on top of him, pinning him under it. He
Yep.
was stuck under that tractor.
Le'Veon Bell opens it up. Titus Davis. And here we go. Buck Allen.
His legs, a couple ribs.
Jumbo patch auto.
Now he hates tractors. Absolutely hates tractors. Cannot stand tractors. Every time he sees a tractor, he goes into PTSD from his events with this tractor.
And then Von Miller.
Can't stand tractors.
And the last pack. Cross your fingers for an additional hit. It happens.
Still like a little wobbly sometimes, but
Got a Demarius Thomas,
anymore. Now he's just
Carlos Hyde,
through this town.
Randy Gregory,
He just lived like a mile
Jeremy
from
Macklin,
this small town, you know, like
parallel,
country towns are. So he's walking down the road just trying to
and Darrell Rivas.
tractors.
So that concludes our four box break for Brandon.
Then, as he's walking
This is Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub,
house on fire,
and we'll see you on the next break.
just